How to make a mole trap. Moles, those nasty critters that make a mess of your lawn, are not at all welcome in most yards. Poisons and traps have been used for centuries, most of them involving harmful chemicals designed to wreak vengeance on the distressing creatures. There are ways of trapping moles that are quite simple and have been used for centuries. Things you will need: plastic soda bottle 2 liter, utility knife, hand shovel, string, Wrigley's Juicy Fruit Gum. Locate the active mole trails in your yard. Typically moles like to eat worms, not plants' roots as most people think. If you have a nice moist healthy lawn, you will have beautiful conditions for earthworms. 2. Find an active tunnel. Press down the raised soil with your hand. Mark it so you can find it again later. After about 6 hours, check to see if the dirt has been raised back up. If it has, you have an active tunnel. Take the empty soda bottle and stand it upright. Measure up 8 inches from the bottom and cut a round hole with your utility knife about 2 inches wide. Cut an identical hole on the opposite side in the same way. This will provide 2 openings for the moles to come in. Put garden gloves on to reduce your scent and dig a hole in the middle of the tunnel with the hand spade. Dig down past it about 8 inches so that the soda bottle can sit in the hole and the openings are in line with the path of the tunnel. Scrub dirt all over the bottle to remove the human scent. Tie a piece of juicy fruit gum, which you have not touched with your fingers, to hang in the middle of the bottle through the top of the bottle so that it hangs in front of the cut openings. If you poke a hole in the middle of the gum, you can slide the string through it. Plant the bottle in the hole with the cut holes lined up. Pour about 2 cups of water into it and replace some dirt around it, so that it is mostly hidden. The bottle cap will help you find it later. Wait for the scent of the gum to lure the moles. They will crawl through the opening, fall into the water and drown. Check it once a day for moles. You should soon see a reduction in the tunnels across your yard. Tips warnings. Set several of these to trap moles simultaneously.